Hello, people. I just wanted to introduce my new budgie. His name is Peter, and he's kind of a violet-y color. Um, he's I've only had him for like 3 days now. So he's in his own little cage over here. I currently just have like the little perches that came with the cage and stuff because I haven't had a chance to get nice perches. And so he's over here. Every once in a while he'll freak out and not when I'm around. He's not like freaking out about me, but he'll randomly jump on the side of the cages, and I can hear him when I'm even in other rooms, and he's jumping around and making all these sounds and hanging upside down. He's just crazy. He looks like he wants to jump again. If you had a new parakeet that was crazy and would jump all over the cage and hang upside down, and he does weird stuff. I don't even know how to explain it. He like, while he's hanging, he'll like twist in the weirdest ways. And it kind of freaks me out because I don't want him to get hurt. But I don't know what to do. So anyways, yeah, that's him. Ziggy doesn't really even seem to notice that much. She does a little bit, but not too much. I thought she would kind of take more notice. Alright, he's about to go crazy, I think. Let's see if I can capture this. What? Peter. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but he's twisted. It looks kind of funny. I don't know what he's doing though. I mean, I have no idea if this is normal because Ziggy never did that. She never was. But he's just going crazy. And I'm not sure what's going on. And Ziggy's just hanging out. She's like, whatever. Do what you want to do. I'll just chew on this here string. Oh, that long toy right there. Kind of like in the center of the frame. I made that today with some beads, buttons, and some old toys that kind of fell apart. Like that little ball in the middle and the bell. Yeah. I don't know if you can tell, but he's like hanging upside down and then he twists around. It's really strange. Peter. Uh-oh. Peter. Did it again.